Hey there, my friends. This is Marlon from Marley Mac Media, and this is a beat breakdown type video that I'm going to show you. It's more like a jam session of me trying to figure out what's going on inside this track and sharing it with you. In fact, I've already put together this track. You can see probably from the title, this is a track that is by Wiley, a UK grime artist, godfather of grime here in the UK, in London. And basically, he's done this ragga slash dancehall type track, which has ripped up the airwaves in the last couple of months here in London. And basically, he's got quite a multitude of A-listers on there. He's got Sean Paul on there. He's got Edris Elba. He's well known in the music scene as a DJ, but no one knew him as an artist. And he's known as obviously an actor as well. And there's, I think, Stefflon Don and whoever else is on there. Check out the track if you don't know what track I'm talking about. Just search for Boasty, or Boasty if you want to say it the Jamaican way. Basically, this track, I'm going to show you the simplicity of it. I'm going to play it through now and then just literally break down the couple of tracks, the couple of instruments that I've used to make it. So here we go. So if you stay till the end as well, I'm going to be giving this away. I'll give you instructions on how you can grab this project file, the full Logic file, or the stems if you want to use the audio for experimental purposes as well. All right, great. So you hear how the vibe is kind of like just chilled and it just makes you want to move, right? If you're into this kind of music, obviously, you know what I'm talking about. However, it's not anything too complicated. It's literally got two tracks that's driving, well, one main track I would say that's driving the beat. And that's the 808 here, which if you want to see what my settings are, if you use Logic and you want to just copy them down, this is what my settings look like. So literally it's just, I think it was 3 notes here. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. I will show you what the MIDI looks like on it as well. If you get the download, I'll be sure to include the MIDI for the 808 bass there, along with the audio stems, so you can drop that in any DAW as well. And for the drums, it's just a kick and a snare, literally just a kick and a snare. It's amazing how simplicity can create a really good vibe. So you don't need to put a ton of stuff in your tracks. You can layer these with anything you want. You just ignore everything else that's here, because I literally just had this project open and I just used the 808 and the kick and snare just there. So none of this actually contributes to the track right now. So that's pretty much as simple as it gets. You can see the pattern there. It's just a kick and a snare. Maybe there's some variations throughout the actual original track that is quite nuanced. But I've pretty much captured the essence of it, I think. The key difference here with the 808 is that it goes up in octave. So that's the only difference here. That's why I've got a separate 808 track down here. So I didn't have to do, any sort of automation or anything. It's just simple to create another track and just go up in octave. Just mess that up there. So that's pretty much it. So if you want to check out a project like this, just head over to, if you want to grab hold of this project file, including the Logic file, as well as the audio stems, so you can use it for experimental reasons. Head over to marleymacmedia.com and sign up for my VIP club, which is absolutely free. You can grab this file. Eventually, I'll add it to it. But in the meantime, if you go there and you don't see this, there'll be tons of other, well, not tons, but quite a few other project files, as well as other resources that you can download that will help you with your music creation. So go ahead and sign up now, and you'll be able to download this so you can use it for educational purposes, or just use my presets inside Logic. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, like button. If you think it's useful, go ahead and share it with somebody else that you feel that would find it useful as well. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'm going to play the track out right now again to see me off. Peace out.